Chapter 1. What is lean? Hi, I'm Paul, and I'm here to share something amazing called lean. Lean is all about finding stuff we don't really need and getting rid of it to make things easier. Here's how I learned about it. I thought my company was doing great, but then someone pointed out how much we were actually wasting. We were spending time looking for things, moving around too much, and doing things twice. It was like having a messy toy box. You can't find the toys you want because of all the clutter. Lean showed me that by noticing small ways to save time and fix little things, everything got better and faster. I didn't need a big change, just tiny fixes, like organizing tools and only keeping what we really needed. And guess what? Lean isn't just for businesses. You can use it too. Look at your school bag or your room and see if there's anything slowing you down. Finding and fixing waste makes everything easier, and you'll feel ready for anything. The one thing. Pride blocks learning. Sometimes thinking we know it all can keep us from learning something amazing. Lean teaches us that there's always more to learn, even when we think we're already good at something. Next time someone shows you a new way to do something, like a friend's way of organizing or drawing, give it a try. You might learn a cool trick that makes things easier. Win with lean. Lean challenge. Spot waste in what you're best at. Think of one thing you're really good at, like drawing, organizing your desk, or helping friends with homework. Write it down. Guess what? There might be some hidden waste in this area. Look closely to see if there are any extra steps or things you don't need. Lean can help you make it even better. The lean takeaway. In Chapter 1, we learned that lean simplifies life, making it fun. We learned to identify and fix what's difficult. We also learned that we can apply lean anywhere, school, home, etc. Lastly, we learned to stay open to improving everything. Chapter 1 taught us the lean basics. Now let's go to Chapter 2.